how to turn off notification when your friends stream on Discord, of course. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First step, it's going to Discord, then open it. After this, guys, when your Discord is opening, you will just go down here on your profile and open it. And after this, you will go to an option who name it notification, and you will go to the last one, get notification when your friends stream. Now you will turn off this option by going here and click. So now you turn off this option correctly, and that's it, guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.